everyone, a quick tutorial on how to set up your Trust wallet with our new V2 updated contract address. You'll want to first log into your Trust wallet application and then click on the top right to enter into your search option. Click in Glow and then you'll have the ability to add a custom token. And then you'll want to change your network, if it's set to Ethereum, to go ahead and switch it to Smart Chain. And then you'll want to copy and paste in the address that is posted in our chat. It should end in D6A9, this new contract address. It should also autofill the name of Glow V2, our symbol, as well as the 9 for decimals. Once that's complete, click the Done button on the top right. And then if your airdrops have already been completed, you will see your token count in place. If not, we also ask for your patience. It is still ongoing, so you'll want to check back in a little bit to ensure that your tokens are in place. And if you've held throughout the week, you should also see the additional 8% bonus, or if you've purchased any additional tokens in this duration of the migration, those tokens should also be in place. If you have any questions, please visit our Telegram page. We have a wonderful chat support team available to assist you and also help tune into our AMAs. We have lots of wonderful updates and exciting news to share. Thanks so much for everyone who has supported Glow in our entire journey. So many bright days ahead, and we just appreciate everything you do. Thanks so much. Have a great day.